Bago mag-apply ng top coat, proper surface preparation is the key. How to properly apply concrete primer on concrete walls. DAVIES Megacryl Concrete Primer and Sealer is a dual-purpose formula na nagbibigay ng superior alkali resistance, meaning hindi ito nagpupulbos at excellent adhesion para sa long-lasting paint performance. Materials needed: roller brush, paintbrush, paint spatula, clean rag, sandpaper, DAVIES Concrete Primer and Sealer. Siguraduhin tuyo, malinis, free from oil, grease, dust, dirt, and other contaminants ang wall. Mag-apply ng one coat gamit ang paint roller sa large areas at paintbrush naman para sa cutting or edges na hindi abot ng paint roller. Let it dry for 1 to 2 hours bago applyan ng top coat. DAVIES Megacryl Concrete Primer and Sealer ensures a sealed, stable surface. The 2-in-1 primer and sealer protection. Brought to you by DAVIES Paints. Basta pintura, hanapin ang tatak DAVIES. Paint reinvented.